5-year-old explorers. Where are we, Luca?
Tunisia.
Cosimo, as usual, doesn't know where we are. Luca, where are we?
To the beach.
And what are you going to do at the beach?
Surfing.
You're going to go surfing. Is it your first time? Yeah.
We are going to Southern Caledonia.
Is this your first time surfing?
No, it's our first time surfing in Southern Caledonia.
He's in Southern Caledonia. Where are you?
Northern Caledonia.
Is it your first time surfing?
No.
It's your?
Second time. Third time.
When was your first time surfing?
Fourth time.
When was your first time?
Bali.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna both be teaching how to surf out there.
Maybe
you're only 6, right? Yeah, you gotta be 7 to surf in Tmarindo, so you can watch us though. I'll be getting a lot of waves out there.
He's kidding,
This is
right?
Sophie, guys. Say hi, Sophie.
Hi, Sophie. We are getting the boards. Wow, you guys are like...
Board.
I definitely need this hair. And that hair for the YouTube. Give it to me. Let's trade surf lesson for hair.
I think he's gonna let you surf then. The hair is gonna work out.
Luca, Emma,
Cosimo.
and Cosimo.
What's your name?
No, I'm not telling you my name yet. You just call me Pelon. I got no hair. I'm baldy, man. But not after this lesson. You guys can call me Pelos. Are we ready? Are we ready? Are you sure? Yeah?
Show me how ready you are.
Sir.
You're lucky that your dad is carrying one.
That's good. That's good.
Even if I don't do surfing, I'm gonna walk anyway.
Well, you
I
have
have
the
to carry-
head was available, so.
If the surf police come after us, just tell them you're 7. Just make a line in front of you. When you guys are riding the surfboard, the 3 main things to keep in mind. Number 1, try to keep your feet going down the center of the board. Okay? Here's a little space between your feet. Alright, about like that. Okay, if we're too far over on the rail, what's gonna happen? We're gonna be tipping the board around. Little space between your feet and some bend in your knees. Anytime we're feeling a little wobbly, what do we gotta do? Sit a little bit lower. Either that or fall off. Alright, looking forward. Boom, dude. Rock. About 50-50 with your weight most of the time. If you guys feel the board slowing down in the water and you guys want to speed up, front foot's like the gas. Okay, we might want to lean forward a little bit. Okay, not too much, you're gonna nosedive. Okay, and back foot's like the brake. There we go. There's your
Strike the pose.
We're gonna practice some pop-ups here. Paddling for the wave. Nice strong paddles with those 6-year-old muscles out, Luca, and paddle them.
Oh, you mean the 7-year-old?
7-year-old, sorry. Here we go, 1, 2, and like this, right up to our feet, boom. Right up, nice guys, nice. There we go, looking forward the whole way. Nice soft feet when we land too, okay? That way. Paddle. Got the hair for it, 1, 2, 3, and up. Nice. All right, okay, not too bad. Keep that balance, looking forward.
Like this the whole time.
You guys ready to get some wave?
Doing some extra training on the sand.
Looking forward the whole way. There we go. Let's go.
second lesson, surf lesson for our kids. They are getting better and better. Today they got a chance to get a board by themselves and start practicing like 2 hours before the lesson. And you should see how many progress they did after one lesson. It was crazy. And Luca, he stayed the entire time on top. Look, 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 look. It's right there. Wow.
So this is Tamarindo Beach. It's huge.
It's really long beach. It goes from there all around on the opposite side. Whoa, this is big. Whoa.
Welcome to a sunset in Tamarindo Beach.
Surfing beach. Woohoo.
Oh, look at Emma! I want water! Here, you will see all day people surfing, like Miss Emma and Luca back there and Cosimo somewhere back there. Do you have anything to say?
Water!
Then you will see people just going on their bodyboard. There's plenty of boats and horses on the beach too. And then loads of people just enjoying the sunset, which is gonna happen very soon now. And we're gonna get to see it. So if you want to surf with Salty Soul, you have to wear their shirts, right?
If you surf with Salty Souls, you have to give us your hair.
That's the payment.
How's Aaron? Good? He said, I like my teacher.
Good? That's it? How, not rocking good? Ah, okay.
There's a technique in bringing your boards. Today we're going to a different beach. Apparently we are taking a boat to cross over. They're going on their surfboards.
So normally you come here and you catch the boat and you go to Playa Grande. He said that when there is no boat, like today, you just jump on the board and you paddle straight to the beach on the other side.
Come on, you gotta keep paddling or you get.
Come on, Moss! You can do it!
Come on, get a straight posture. One, two, that's the workout of the day. Let's go, dude. Come on, a little more. Arch your back, show your chest.
Come on, Moss!
Five more pedal. One,
Yeah!
2, 3, 4.
I made it!
And here they come. They're not only learning to surf, they're also learning how you get to a place with your surfboard.
Cos,
Teamwork.
shells. We're not
Mano, Cosimo.
pencil. Cos. He just picked up a shell with his tongue.
If you cross from here, as you can see, how we did everybody, it's really easy and really fast. So we already are in Playa Grande. If you go with the car, you have to go all around there, and it takes like probably, she said, 40 minutes.
Why did we come here today?
Because the wind is coming from this direction, and so going over there, it's more protected. When it's strong wind, this side is much better. And he said because you want the kids there doing great on the board, you want to give them a different place to surf, so they can experience a different feeling, even if the water is the same, but the wave there much better, he said, and it's going to be less crowded on this side. Do you see the beach? There is nobody.
There's
here.
nobody.
It's amazing.
I loved your move on the board though the other day. You had you had a wave where you go,
Yeah, he does a little dance there.
whoa!
Yeah,
Walking all the way up.
I did like.
Okay, we want to be laying on the board where the nose is about like this out of the water, paddling for the wave. Let's keep our chest pretty high for good paddle technique. Okay, when we start catching more of our own waves, okay, which we're going to try to do today, we're also going to be checking the wave every now and then over our shoulder so we can see where that wave's at, okay? So we can time the wave just right. Okay, if we're looking forward the whole time and not paying attention, we're kind of paddling blind. We're always trying to get that wave, catch that wave while it's forming before it's breaking. Okay. We're paddling for the wave. We can feel the wave starting to push us. We're picking up some speed. On the count of 3, we're gonna pop up. 1, 2, 3, up to the beach. Good, excellent, excellent. If we're gonna turn a little bit today, okay? We were talking about turning the last couple of days. We'll probably have some nice waves today that the wave starts to break to the right or to the left.
Should we go?
Okay, for us to turn to the right, we're gonna press down on the back toes a little, and the board's gonna start to turn.
You mean like this?
Yeah, pretty much like that.
You mean?
That looks like Giovanni's dance move on a Friday night. Okay, we got nice waves, guys. We use the roots kind of right here as our landmark, more or less, okay? So,
You ready?
yep.
Yeah.
Oh, this is big! Woo! Go, 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 go! Yee-hoo, go, 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 go! Vai, Emma, vai, Emma, vai, Emma! Go, Emma, go, Emma! Go!
Another beach day for us here in Tamarindo. We decided to come here with the main purpose to have our kids get back into surfing. So we spend every day basically on the beach. But today we're in this really cool beach, which is right across from Tamarindo Beach, and it's called Playa Grande. And it's empty, there's nobody here because there's not really any restaurants or not little shacks, not people selling stuff. So it's a little more raw, but it's perfect for surfing. There are great waves. There's no other surfers, or not that many, so there's no accidents happening. If you want to come to Tamarindo but you don't want to stay in the middle of the crowd and you like this kind of solution, it is so easy to come here. Look at the beach. The only thing you'll see here are some rental properties and maybe some little hotels, and then it's just an empty beach. If you're planning on coming to Playa Grande, the easiest way
And the fastest.
is paddle like we did before if you're going surfing. Or apparently when it's lower tide you can walk. Or you just take this boat. Okay, off we go on our very long journey to the other side.
Wow, it's so long. I don't want to be on this boat for hours.
We gotta take your ball out. It doesn't let the boat move.
That one's too.
The boat is not leaving. We're waiting for the right waves. Okay, more are coming to help to move this boat.
Cut your hair off now.
Oh!
I think we're stuck on a crocodile.
Off we go! We're turning and we're ready there. So this is the part you cross to go to the Playa Grande. And here we are. So you get on one of these boats and you go to the other side.
Where we are?
Hungry time. We're here in Tamarindo, Salty Soul Surf School.
This
Best Western.
This it's really cool, guy. If you come here, I really advise you get some surfing lesson. He's gonna teach you how to do surfing, but it's not only that. The cool thing about him, it's very passionate. That's why we got inspired to interview him. When people do passionate things, whatever it is, they are really doing it from the heart, and it's really good with the kids.
My name is Eric. I'm from Joplin, Missouri, from the very middle of the United States, and been living here for 14 years. Fell in love with surfing. No, not in Missouri. In my 20s, I started traveling around the world and was between South America, Hawaii, and Spain for several years. Fell in love with surfing and the love for travel, and that's what brought me here to Costa Rica. And I love this place. Tamarindo's home. It's been great.
Why did you pick Tamarindo?
Costa Rica kind of kept coming up with certain people that I met through my travels, and really my surf mentors when I started learning to surf. in Hawaii, in Waikiki. Some French guys who were like my brothers out there. They were studying oceanography for the summer, and most of them had been to Costa Rica. They all told me that they're like, something about Costa Rica I think you're gonna love. You need to go, because they knew I didn't know where I wanted to go and my next step in life. A couple years in Chile, a couple years in Hawaii, a year out in Spain, and I'd met a lot of people along the way that all had the best things to say about Costa Rica, and Tamarindo in particular, and it's been everything and more than I'd ever dreamed
And
of.
the cool thing is not only surfing, he play music too. He has a group. So last night we went to see him and it was a cool place, and he played guitar.
What gave you the idea to do this?
My dream was to be able to be in Tamarindo and surf every day, grab my surfboard, wake up in the morning, go down in the water. I thought, well, Tamarindo would be a cool place to check out. Once I was here, surfing was, obviously is what everyone's doing here. So I started working in surf shops and giving surf lessons, and then I was at some point ready to try to, go out on my own and do something, and partnered up here with the Best Western.
Why you picked the name for the school?
My favorite concerts that I've ever seen, I was back visiting family back in the States, and I went to see a band called the Band of Horses, and I bought a t-shirt from the concert, and it said, "Salty hearts live forever." And I painted that real big in my room, the place, my apartment where I lived for the first probably 8 or 9 years here in Tamarindo. It was a big mural and looked like basically a 3-year-old painted it, but I painted it. And when I was trying to think of a name for the surf school, I was looking at that one night and I was like, salty, so it came together. So from that, I got the name, and I thought, well, salty hearts live forever. And it was a really cool t-shirt. A guy with like a big ocean beard, and his beard looked just like that.
You need the beard like this,
I had this in COVID. I had that same beard. Until like 3 squirrels were living in it, and then I had to cut it off. But it was basically like this, but his beard was a big ocean. I thought, salty hearts live forever. I really like that saying. Like, if you're in the ocean and you're connected with nature and everything, that it keeps you young and whatever, just you live forever. So I thought salty something and salty souls. So soul is a play on the word, so soul like sun, but it's a play on the word soul. So salty souls, so that's it. If you have a salty soul, then I guess you live forever, right? We're rocking.
What's your question?
Yeah.
There's people outside.
Oh, his next lesson
Oh,
is here.
yeah, you guys were awesome. Really amazing meeting you guys. What makes my job so enjoyable is being with people like you in the water, that you guys are stoked, you're having so much fun, and it just makes our job easy. So, yeah, you guys rock. And you guys got some pretty rocking parents. You guys are chilling, living an awesome life, traveling all around, and you guys are obviously good kids. You're teaching them well because they're super polite and friendly and very intelligent. Maybe not as intelligent as me yet, but I got a few more years on you, right? So.
Thank you, Eric.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you for showing your passion, because you can see you have fun doing it, and so that really shows.
Well, thank you guys. Appreciate it. Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
Bye for now.
You guys rock. Thank you guys so much.
Last surfing day here in Tamarindo. We have a bigger class today.
I'm surfing
On the sand. Now he's trying without the instructor.